Hey, what's going on, guys? Got another tutorial for you today. They're going to try to keep this one simple, just like the last one. Today we're talking about iOS 14 and the new update. Everybody's been customizing it like crazy. I saw it all over YouTube and Twitter, and I thought I would give you guys a simple tutorial on how you could do that as well. If you're somebody like me who was around during the MySpace era, you'll definitely get some nostalgia out of this. So I thought I would kind of show you what I'm going to use today, where I got it, just to kind of keep it simple. We're not going to do too much customization on the icons themselves. I'm going to grab a pack from the internet, but I will show you how you can do it on your own if you want to, and then we're going to show you how to get it into the phone and get it set up so you can get those custom icons and make your home screen look custom. So with that, first off, we're going to hop over to the desktop and I'm going to show you what we're going to need to get started first before we head over to the phone. Let's get it. Alright, first off, I'm going to go with a simple minimalist background. Nothing too crazy because I want to be able to make more of a minimalist approach to this. I don't want crazy colors and space and everything else because that's kind of what the default is on the iPhone, is the space background, and there's a lot going on. I'm going to try to simplify it, going to make it nice and minimal, clean, modern, if you will. So nothing too fancy there. I'm just going to save this as a background and move on over to the icons. So for the icon pack, I headed over to Google and just kind of typed in an iOS 14 icon pack. I ended up on here, inspiredbythis.com. I'll link everything that I'm showing you in the description. This is kind of where I just found like this simple colorway type of thing. Just the tan will blush with the black. I kind of like that, nice and simple. So that's the one I went with. If you ended up wanting to do fully custom, you didn't want to go this route, I also found on flaticon.com, which I'm also going to link below, just kind of a blank slate type of deal where there's a lot of packs to choose from in here. And this will give you more of a customization, whereas here I've got kind of a flat layout, so I can do some customization, but nothing too crazy. But it's up to your preference what you want to do. I don't mind just doing the default for now, because I wanted to keep it simple. I don't want to be on Photoshop for hours doing, 50 or 60 icons. So I just went a little lazy here, but either or. And as you can see, if you hop over here, this is more of that blank slate look like I just showed you a second ago, where you can go in and you could add color, you could add a gradient if you want, a pattern, etc., etc. And this is where you can kind of go crazy with the customization. There's plenty to choose from in here. It's nothing too crazy, but it allows you to at least choose which one you like and go from there. Like I said, I'm keeping it simple for this one though. Alright, so on the left hand side of the screen right here, you're going to see my screenshot. This is my home screen. This is what it looks like prior to us editing it, and I want to use this as a reference here because I'm going to try to keep it exactly the same, but with the custom icons that we just got from between Photoshop and Google. So with that, I'm going to show you how to implement the custom icon, and then you're going to go through each one and do the exact same step until you get all the ones you want for the home screen. Let's get started. Alright, first you're going to open your shortcuts tab, and you're going to click the plus in the top right hand side. There's going to be an add action tool right here. From there up top you can type in open app. There it is right there. And you're going to click choose. We'll start out by, got a whole bunch of stuff in here. We'll do Instagram first. And I am going to, what am I supposed to do? I'm going to put in here, see it says add to home screen. First we'll put in Instagram. Add to home screen. Now with that I can click the icon and it's going to say choose photo. I'm going to go in here looking around, got a whole bunch of stuff going on. Instagram right there, choose. Make sure to label it as noted. Instagram. Add it to home screen. We're going to go back out, and as you can see, now we have the custom icon, and that is how you get the custom icons. Whoops, that's my wife. So that is the step-by-step guide on how to do the icon. Now I'm going to go through and do all of them in the home screen and show you guys what it looks like when it's complete. So let's get that going now. Alright, and there it is, a much better look, a much more minimalist approach to this. Definitely compared to these apps beforehand, to see what it looks like now. It's just much more of a simplistic look, especially at night and stuff where you don't want the crazy brightness. This just really gives me a nice calm vibe to the home screen. So I hope that I was able to help you with that and get this in much better shape than it was. Now there's even more extreme options that you could go with too, like Widgetsmith and other things like that, where you could customize even the larger widgets and stuff like that, but some of them don't have full functions. So for me personally, I didn't go with that because I wanted to still have the widgets be fully functional and exactly the way I already have them. But that's personal preference. You can download Widgetsmith and check that out if you'd like, but like I said, it's more of a decorative thing, I think. So I just wanted to kind of keep it somewhat simple for you guys. You can, at the bottom, you saw that I had like the phone and the browser and stuff. You could also customize those too. I didn't think of that until the very end, but you can do that. But I don't really mind it. I don't mind as long as most of it is that minimalist color coordinated look to it. I'm all set with it. But if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if I left anything out that you were like, oh my god, this is the part I like don't understand or something like that, just let me know. I did try to keep out the most simple of things, but if maybe you are somebody brand new to iOS, maybe you don't know, just let me know and I'll try to walk you through it in the comments. But with that, I am going to get on out of here. Make sure to follow me at _momentum media on Instagram, heartjoe36 on Twitter, also Momentum TV on YouTube, which is going to be linked down below as well. Other than that, I'm going to get on out of here and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!